Good morning, students. I am Reddy sir. Today we are going to be discussing previous year question that came in electrostatic from the concept of capacitors. This question is came in the year Kerala Pet 2013. Look at the question. Three capacitors are connected in series, have an effective capacitance of 4 microfarad. If one of the capacitance is removed, the net capacitance of the capacitor is increased to 6 microfarad. The removed capacitor has the capacitance of. Look here. Look here. They said that three capacitors. They said that three capacitors. Let us think that three capacitors are C1, C2, C3. If they are connected in parallel, the effective capacitance they said that 4 microfarad. Okay, in series we know that 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 equals to 1 by C effective. But effective capacitance they said that 4 microfarad, that is equal to 1 by 4. Let us think that this is equation 1. And after removing one capacitance, let us think that C1 is removed. C1 is removed. Then only the two capacitors are present, C2 and C3. After removing, the capacitance is increased to 6 microfarad. That means 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 is equal to 1 by C effective. What they said, C effective, what they given? 6. 1 by 6. This is equation 2. Substituting this equation 2 in equation 1. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. What we are getting? 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3 means 1 by 6. In the place of 1 by C2, 1 by C3, I am placing 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 equals to 1 by 4. 1 by C1, that implies 1 by C1 equals to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. LCM, if you take means we will get 12. 4 3s and 6 2s minus 2, that means 1 by 12. That means how much we will get? That implies 1 by C1 equals to 1 by 12. That implies C1 is how much C1 is 12 microfarad. C1 is 12 microfarad. Then look here. Then which option is correct? Which option? D. 12 microfarad is the correct option. Okay, ma. Thank you.